core is a managed service provider, so we're looking beyond the professional services and we're looking more to provide things like identity as a service now. Identity as a service, we've found that when we do traditional projects, that there's not really a team that stays behind to manage the identity product. So while we train people up while we're there, people move on, and we've found that the identity product itself kind of lags behind and gets left alone. Whereas if we're doing this as a service, it continually adds value to the customer and it's much more sticky. So the project keeps going, the customer gets value time after time. What's driving investment for the identity and access management in the UK specifically is probably GDPR. So with GDPR enforced this year, we've got a lot of people concerned about access rights for security. In terms of their risk, it's about when people have left, have their rights been taken away, making sure people don't have too many rights. And again, some of it links back to GDPR in terms of the risk. For a customer not knowing who's got access to what areas of their IT system, but then also what access do administrators have. And that's kind of a risk level that the customer needs to be looking at these days of, watching the watchers. Who's looking at what the admins are doing. The innovation and the new leadership for One Identity, it's giving us a breadth of access to our customers where we've already got an install base. So the investment we've already put there, we're now layering the extra privileged account management, the extra cloud services. These are all value adds for us as a partner, and we're getting that with the innovation from One Identity. In terms of the digital future, we're really concentrating on the cloud expansion. So identity as a service is a natural progression for managed service providers and for customers. And really, I think it's going to become pivotal to most companies just because as they embrace the cloud, you've got cloud sprawl, you've got cloud identity sprawl. So sort of outsourcing the identity as a service, that's really going to assist companies to embrace the cloud in a risk-free way.